Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you why are your headphones so quiet. So, you need to at first make sure that you have dried them completely after swimming. If you were swimming, maybe 30 minutes ago or 1 hour ago, you need to wait a moment and completely dry them. Like the areas of this needs to be, for example, may not clean, but you need to make sure that you've got cotton swabs and delicately use them here. Wait another 30 minutes and you should be good to go. If it doesn't want to work, you need to increase the volume level up to 100% and start your headphones up to 100% to check if it works. And actually we don't get many options to manage our headphones, like we don't get an app, we can't do anything. The only thing that is our last resort is the factory reset. So hold this button and volume plus buttons for at least I think it was 15 seconds to see if it works. To perform the factory reset, and then you need to see if it works. If it doesn't work, you need to, it was 5 seconds now I've checked. If it doesn't work, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Bye!